dear students, and welcome to Maths. Miss Darshana has already finished with the lesson number work. So today I am going to begin with the next lesson, that is addition and subtraction. You have learnt in your earlier class about how to add 4-digit and 5-digit numbers. So in this lesson you are going to add or subtract about 6 and 7-digit numbers. Now by now you must be knowing what are 6-digit numbers and what are 7-digit numbers. So let us now start with the addition first topic, that is addition of the 6-digit and 7-digit numbers. So let me take few examples here. So let us take first example. Okay. 1,43,000. So you must be knowing by now how to read the numbers. 1,43,057 plus 4,21,689. Okay. Now how to add these two big numbers? Okay. First of all, you should know what are the place names of each one of these digits in the number. So the place name of 7 is unit, whereas that of 5 is tens, 0 is in hundreds place, 3 is in thousands place, 4 is in 10,000 place, and 1 is in a lakh place. Similarly here also 9 in units place, 8 tens place, 6 hundreds place, 1 thousand place, 2 10,000 place, 4 in lakh place. So like that, let us try to now add them. Remember always whenever you are adding any number, fine, you have to always place the digits according to their place name. Fine. So let me write first the place names of each one of them and try to add in the form of a box. Later on you can, once you know how to add these numbers, you can easily add directly, either vertically or even horizontally. So let me show you the place names of each one of them. Place name of each one of them. So lakh is the last place. So let me write here lakh. Okay. Then we have to write here 10,000, 10,000, then 1,000. Fine. Then we have hundreds place. Then we have tens place, and then finally units place. Fine. So now let me draw like this. Let us keep one more row free, so that whenever we are carrying the numbers we can write here easily. Then we can draw the columns like this. Fine. And now we'll be able to write the digits of these numbers very easily. So let me write the first number, that is 1,43,057. So 7 is in units place, 5 is in tens place, 0 is in hundreds place, and 3 is in thousands place, 4 is in 10,000 place, and 1 is in lakh place. So let us add them, the next number. So this is also in lakhs place, so you can directly now which is lakhs place, so you can write directly here, or from behind you can start writing. That is, first one is 9, 8, 6, 1, 2 and 4. Now let us try to add the numbers. Fine. Okay. Now you will be knowing what is the addition of 9 plus 7, and you should always have certain combinations, like 9 plus 5 is how much, 9 plus 4 is how much, 9 plus 3 is equal to how much, 9 plus 2, 9 plus 7, 9 plus 6. So you should by heart all these combinations. So once it is fit here, nobody can take it from you. Now no counting of fingers. It should be on your tongue, tip of your tongue, all these calculations. Fine. So 9 plus 6, if you add, many of you must be knowing that is nothing but 16. So 16, that means units place 6 will come and tens place it will be carried over here. That is 1 is carried here up. Fine. Now we can add again. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 8 is equal to 14. Fine. So 4 here and carry 1 again here up. Fine. Now 6 plus 0 plus 1 is nothing but 7. Then 3 plus 1, there is nothing carried here because 7 is a unit number, that is why nothing is carried here. So 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. You are right. 4 plus 2 is equal to, yes, 6, and 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. So this is the answer of the addition of these two numbers, that is 5,64,746. So this is how we are supposed to add the 6-digit numbers. Now let me show you certain when we have to add 3 numbers. Now these were only 2 numbers we have added. Let me show you how to add now 3 numbers very easily. So we can write here the one more example here of 3 numbers. So 3 numbers, let me take your first second example as 3,12,000. Always remember to write the commas. Okay, 3,12,469 plus 758, only 3 digit, plus 24,092. 24,092. So it seems it is very difficult, but it's not difficult once you know what are the places of each one of them and you know what is the addition, what is the sum of their numbers, then it is very easy to calculate. So addition is not very difficult. Fine. So now let us start doing like this. So I will keep this like this only, since here there is only one 6-digit numbers, others are 3-digit and 5-digit numbers. So I will keep this table like this only and I will just replace these numbers here. Fine. So there are all together. So I will rub even this because there are 3 digits. So it will require more space. Fine. Now let me write the first number, that is 3,12,469. So in units place 9 is the 6, 4, 2, 1, 3. Let us write the second number. Plus, don't forget to write the sign plus. Then you write 8, 5 and 7. That is up to only hundreds place. Then the last one. Again write your plus sign and write the last number, that is 2 is in units place, 9 is tens place, 0 in hundreds place, 4 in thousand place and 2 is in 10,000 place. So now let us try to add these numbers. Fine. Now you know that this is very easy. 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. So 10 plus 9 is equal to 19. Right. So let me write, since it is 2-digit number, and we can write here only units place. Units place is 9 here and 1 goes as carried above. Now let us now again try to add. Now if you see 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 6 is equal to 12 and 12 plus 9. Don't count your fingers. It's nothing but 21. So 1 here and 2 is carried here above. Fine. Now 4 plus 2 is equal to 6 and 6 plus 7 is equal to 13. Or you can add this way also. 7 plus 2 is equal to 9 and 9 plus 4 is equal to 13. Anyway you add, the answer will remain the same. Answer is 13. So 3 is here coming and 1 is carried above. Fine. Now here there is nothing in the second digit. So here there is nothing, there is 0 here. So we will add these numbers now. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. Okay. Now last one, last 2 digits are remaining. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Nothing is carried over. And 3 plus nothing means 3. Okay. So this is the answer of the, we can also even add directly all these numbers. Okay. You can do like this also. And now I will show you how to add them without this box. Okay, if you have understood the place names and place values where we have to place them, then it is very easy to add them directly. Fine, so let us now try to add directly without this box. Okay, let me take another example here. Example number 3. So I'll take one example from your exercise, that is exercise number problem set number 8. From then I will take one of the example, like very big numbers. Question number 7. I will take the example of question number 7. That is, there are 3 numbers and the place value is up to 10 lakh. So we will try to add that. Okay, so 14 lakh 2,649 plus 524 plus 28 lakh 13,749. So let me write the first number first, that is 14 lakh. Okay, 14 lakh 2,649. Then second number, whenever you are writing, if you are confused where to write and all, okay, always start with the last digit, that is 4. Then 2 comes below 2, below 4, and 5 comes below 6. So this is the way how you are supposed to write the digits one below the other, and not like some of them write like this 524. Anyway, this is wrong. Okay, so you have to see where exactly you have to place these digits according to their place name and their place value. So the place value of 4 is 4, 2 is 20, and 5 is 50. Okay, whereas the place name is unit, tens, and hundreds. Next one, we will see now the last one, that is 28 lakh 13,749. So it seems very big number, but it's not very difficult to write them. So we will write 9 below, that 9 over here, 4 here, 7 here, then we have 3 below 2 we have to write, then we have 1 below 0 we will write, and then we have 8 here, below 4 we will write, and 2 here we will write over here. So now let us try to add them. Okay, now 9 plus 9 is equal to 18, and 18 plus 4, okay, no counting fingers, 18 plus 4 is 22. So 2 comes here and 2 is carried up here. Fine. Now let us add all these numbers. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6, 6 plus 4 is 10, 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. So 2 over here, carry 1 again. Now 5 plus 1 is 6, 6 plus 6 is equal to 12, 12 plus 7 is equal to 19. Carry 1. Okay. Then 3 plus 2 is equal to 5, 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. Okay, 3 plus 2 is equal to 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. 4 plus 8 is equal to 12. Carry 1. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. So this is the answer. Let me write now the commas here. 3 first with 3 digits first, then after that 2 digits. So the answer becomes 42 lakh 16,922. Fine. So this is regarding how to add 6-digit numbers, 7-digit numbers, and even when there are more than 2 numbers, how we can add them very easily. So I hope so you have understood how to add these numbers. So I will give you homework from the textbook. So till next time we will learn about how to solve the word problem. So till then, thank you very much.